Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. She's real fine, my 409. Everyone knows that song, but let me show you what it was named after. Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today, our latest addition is a 409 64 Chevy Impala Convertible 4-speed. I tell you, they don't get any better. And of course, resale red, or the bright red, which is the way the car came originally from the factory with black guts, bucket seats, and the whole 9 yards. This was one spectacular car. Like I say, we just got this on our sales floor today, and we are getting this out here so you can take a look and enjoy it just as much as we do. You'd enjoy it more if you could have it in your garage. So take a look at all of our inventory at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com, and you'll find all of our latest inventory that is current and on special. Everything that you've ever wanted for old cars, we probably have it in stock or will have it. So check our website on a regular basis. But getting back to the 64 409, yes, it's the 4 1/4 horse. It's the dual snorkel air cleaner. It's got power steering. It is just, and it is a numbers matching, quote unquote. It is a correct block for a 1964 Chevrolet. Also, of course, it has the upgraded wire wheel hubcaps with the correct Whitewall tires. They are the original bias type tires, so that is the way it would have come from the factory in 1964. But like I said, this car is stellar. The fits are incredible. The chrome is beautiful. The glass is excellent. Take a look at the inside. I mean, you got the factory tack, of course, in the center of the dash. Original configuration, the original radio still in place. But the biggest thing, of course, it's a 4-speed. And I'll tell you what, it is going to make one heck of a fun car to go cruising. So if you want to see all of our stuff as well. Oh, by the way, it does have power windows. I just spotted that, which is kind of a rarity on these cars. Take a look at all of our stuff. Also, you can find it on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. You know, give us a like, you know, leave us a comment or subscribe. We'd love to have you look at all of our information on all this car and all the many other ones that we have out there on the internet. Lots of information for you. And take a look at this one too later, because we're going to have a cold start of it. We're also going to have a nice walk around so you get all the details of this car. But like I say, we also have the power, of course, power top with the black boot, dual exhaust, of course. And again, just absolutely incredibly well done. I guess, you know, as far as all these cars that are out there on the internet or whatever, here's one that absolutely is stellar and is incredible. You can come in person to take a look at it as well. Come on down to Ellingson Motorcars. You know, we're open Monday through Friday from 10 until 5, and we're even open on Saturdays, 10 until 4. So come on down, take a look. You know, the Beach Boys with their song, She's Real Fine, a 409. I guess this one is probably what they were talking about in their song. Perfect example. See you next time.